ladies, this is Lori. I will never diet again. Welcome to my Mexican home. Beans, you wanted beans. We're gonna make some refried beans today without refrying. I'm gonna show you how. Hi ladies and guys, welcome to my humble garden. It looks a terrible mess, but here it is. Yeah, last year I had some gorgeous tomatoes growing in there. I need to dig it out, pull out all the weeds and kind of reset the things that the peppermint and some of my herbs have gotten overgrown in there. And then I have my aloe vera garden that I haven't weeded through since the rainy season stopped. But I'm going to show you, I love aloe vera. Aloe vera is a wonderful, wonderful herb. It's very healing for the intestines, for the gut. It does so many things. But I have some ginger in here and I want to use the ginger in my beans this morning. So here we go. We're going to go get some fresh ginger. Isn't this gorgeous? I bought this last year. It's fabulous. So here's some ginger growing out. Now I'm going to cut some of this out and use this fresh ginger in my beans. Let's go in the house and cook. If you have any questions or comments, please make them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll get notifications of when my next video comes out. Thank you. Today I'm celebrating 400 subscribers. Pretty exciting. Been doing this for about a month and I'm thrilled. All right, we're gonna be making some beans. This is mostly for my daughter and my husband. I don't eat a lot of beans because it's just too much gas. I love them. I think they taste fantastic and I would eat them, but I would just explode. I would explode and I would never get to go to bed because my husband wouldn't want me. Okay, what I do first is, these are the beans I pick up at Costco in bulk. They come in a big bag. I don't know about in the States, but here in Mexico, we get these in bulk. And I'm going to use half of a bag. Oh, by the way, I don't have access to a lot of things that you have in the United States or maybe in other well-developed countries. I live in a developing country and I don't use processed food. So even if I had, vegetable broth available to me, or if I had a plant milk available to me, which I think we have some plant milks available in the grocery store already made, I wouldn't use them because I like to be super unprocessed. I like to make it myself. My motto has been, if I eat it, I'll make it. That's why when I say I use ketchup, Heinz ketchup, and that's a cheat, is because I didn't make it. So I'm gonna use half of a bag. I'm going to check for rocks. Sometimes little rocks end up in the bags and you gotta check them. Okay, now I'm going to rinse them and add water about an inch or inch and a half above the beans. Now you can do this at night before you go to bed, which I do a lot. I'm gonna take a nice slice of onion. You can use a red onion, but it might color the water. Not a big deal. I don't think it'll make any difference to the color of the beans. So add your onion. These are tricks to help you with the gas. Add garlic. Now, if you don't, you guys can buy it already crushed and chopped. I don't, so I just throw in a few cloves. This also adds flavor. Then I have some fresh ginger that we just picked from my herb garden. You don't have to, but you can take the skin off. I've done it both, either or, it doesn't matter. I throw those in there. Now, that kills all those three things, the cebolla or the onion, whew, that's strong. The cebolla, the garlic, and the ginger help with reduce gas in your beans. I noticed that if they soak overnight, it helps too, but I'm not soaking them overnight today. I'm gonna put these in the Instant Pot. This was inspired because Kiki said she doesn't use her Instant Pot for beans. I do weekly. So I'll show you how. So we're plugging in our Instant Pot, putting on the lid, sealing up that little sealer, the pressure release. Now, I like to use manual. Maybe that's something else Chef Adrian and I have in common. Bean, it gives me 40 minutes, but I want more than 40 minutes. So I'm gonna do cancel and I'm gonna put it in for 45 minutes. Pressure cook, high, and I'm pressing 45 minutes. 45 minutes, I want the the keep warm button off. I don't need to delay it, usually delay it and then it comes on right before breakfast in the morning. And I wait, we'll come back and then we'll mash them up. Our beans are done cooking. Now I'm going to do a quick release so that we can get this done faster. I'm going to open up the valve while placing a towel over it. I get impatient and I find something to poke in the hole to make it go faster. Instant food. I like instant food. It's like we are officially ready. And there we go. Our beans are ready. All right. Let me check here. 52 minutes. The beans need to be, if you're not going to soak them and you want to quick release, cook them on high for 52 minutes, a mile high. That might be different down at sea level. They might cook a lot faster at sea level. I found that out last week with my rice that became sticky rice because it was cooked a little too much down at the sea level. Now, I like to remove a little bit of the water and then we're gonna mash it right in the pot. All right, I'd like to remove maybe half a cup to a cup of water. You can always add the water back, but you can't take it out. You can't mess this up because beans end up soaking up the water anyway. It soaks up the water anyway, so I might not have needed to have done that step. So usually we keep them whole in the refrigerator, and then as we reheat them, we add the water to it and then mash it in that moment. But today I'm gonna mash the whole thing for you. I left the onion and the garlic in there. I just removed the ginger. The ginger remains hard. Now, normally Mexican refried beans are refried on the stove in a frying pan with, well, the original recipe I was given was 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of canola oil, and you throw in a couple of dried arbol chilies, and that gives it that really rich flavor to a Mexican bean. But I would use less and less oil because I was trying to lose weight, and now I'm oil free, so I'm not using that method at all. I think I got a piece of ginger still in here. So my husband likes to put my chipotle powder in here. So you can use chipotle or red pepper to spice it up a little bit. He likes to put this in it, so I'm gonna do it for him. I hope that it's okay and that my daughter likes it too. Forgot about that. She might not want it. Oh wow, that smells so good. Perfect and on point. You can use this in your burritos. You can use it in dips. With your totopos or your tortilla chips. You can use it for your Buddha bowls. You can use it. We use it with chilaquiles in the morning. Good stuff. If you have any comments or questions, please comment below. And remember to like and subscribe. It helps my channel. and it gives you notifications of when new videos come out. Have a great day.